Reports are looking as though Tesla is on track to deliver a record number of vehicles in Q1 of 2022. I made a few videos on why that is, but in this video I'm going to explain to you my prediction for this quarter, and I'm going to share with you an analyst's estimation for their stock price and why he thinks Tesla is on track for a record quarter in the first quarter of this year. Hello my friends and welcome to the Electric Viking. My name is Sam Evans and you're watching the channel that made 1,000 videos about electric cars and batteries over the past 6 months. Welcome to all you new subscribers. Great to have you here. Welcome back to everyone else. Tesla, my prediction for the first quarter. First, how many vehicles did Tesla deliver in the first quarter of 2021? Not 2022, 2021. The total deliveries was 184,800 and production was 180,338. Now, generally the first quarter of the year is the quietest quarter for every car company on the face of planet Earth. That includes every car company in China as well. And that is a bit of a challenge for Tesla because February is often a minuscule car sale month for everyone in China. Why? Well, that's when China's holidays are, end of January and February. And a lot of buyers just don't buy cars then, and a lot of employees don't work then either. So that's a challenge for Tesla. However, they did hit a run rate of annual production in December of last year of annualized 841,000. So I think that over this quarter, Tesla will deliver around 310,000 electric vehicles. That's my prediction. Let's see what happens. I want to know what yours is in the description below, in the comments below. Let me know what your prediction is for this quarter. Tesla actually delivered record-setting vehicle deliveries in the fourth quarter of 2021, but a long-time Tesla bull recently noted that the company's numbers this quarter will likely be even better than their numbers in the fourth quarter of 2021. So if this analyst is right, then I will be wrong because Tesla delivered 309,000 electric vehicles in the fourth quarter of 2021. So realistically, that means that Tesla would only deliver 1,000 more vehicles in the first quarter of 2022. So I'm guessing this analyst is not predicting that Tesla's going to beat their record of last year or the last quarter by only 1,000. I'm assuming he's probably thinking 20, 30,000 plus. So that remains to be seen. But I believe because of the issues with the fact that Tesla's Gigafactory in Germany hasn't officially begun production yet, or even though they are producing vehicles, but they're not allowed to deliver those vehicles yet. And Tesla's factory in Austin, Texas hasn't officially started delivering vehicles yet as well. I believe that's going to cause a bit of a bottleneck. But I think in the second quarter of the year, we're going to see an explosion of deliveries. Part of the reason for that is Tesla's expansion and adding an additional production line for Tesla Model 3 in their factory in China. Adding that additional line and increasing their capacity to be able to deliver 1 million vehicles from their factory, or an annualized run rate of 1 million by the end of April, which is apparently what's going to happen, they'll be in a much better position to deliver more vehicles from China in the second quarter. Plus, I believe they'll start delivering vehicles from Austin, Texas, and Germany in the second quarter as well. So we could see potentially 500,000 vehicles delivered in 2022's second quarter. But we're talking about the first quarter here now. Global equities research analyst Trip Chowdhury weighed in on the company's current state. According to the analyst, the company's production, shipping, and delivery momentum are currently extremely solid, with delivery activity in the company being much stronger than the previous quarter. I haven't seen these facts, but apparently people are saying at the docks in China there is more vehicles going out than usual. Don't know if this is true. This is just what I've been hearing. Now, if you're probably thinking, who is this Trip Chowdhury? Well, that's a good question. I did a bit of research on him, and this was what I was able to find. He is the co-founder of Global Equities Research LLC, and he brings more than 3 years of sell-side analyst experience from FTN Midwest Securities, where he was the lead analyst covering the IT sector there. He also brings more than 16 years of industry experience. He worked for Microsoft, CommerceNet, Sybase, Oracle, and Fujitsu. His industry experience includes various positions such as business development manager, product manager, chief architect, and software developer. He's widely quoted in the leading media including the Wall Street Journal, Investor Business Daily, Barron's, CNN Money, Reuters, the Associated Press, Smart Money, TheStreet.com, Forbes, and Business Week. He has also made occasional TV appearances on CNBC, Bloomberg, and NDTV, a leading news channel in India. Now, Chowdhury has an MBA from the Kellogg School of Management at Northwestern University, where he was on the Dean's List, and an MS in Computer Science from the University of Southern California. Now, most importantly, he does rank in the top 10 of Analyst on tip ranks based on his returns. But I can't see his recent returns over the last year, though, so I'm not sure about his 12-monthly returns over the past 12 months. Now, this is what else he had to say. He estimated that the Tesla Model S Plaid deliveries are up about 15%, and this will bring a benefit to Tesla's finances in the first quarter, because the vehicle, a $130,000 electric car, has very high margins apparently. With this in mind, the global equities research analyst reiterated his $1,500 per share price target on Tesla, as well as his overweight rating. Now, signs that Tesla's Q1 2022 performance would be impressive could be hinted at in recent reports from both the Fremont factory and Gigafactory Shanghai. Chowdhury's recent factory checks aside, footage from Shanghai taken last month indicated that Tesla China is putting the pedal to the metal when it comes to exporting the Model 3 and the Model Y. That being said, Elon actually warned during the company's Q4 and 2021 earnings call that the chip shortage is still something that would have to be dealt with this year. Despite this, Tesla is still looking to achieve over 50% growth in vehicle deliveries this year. What that means exactly, I don't know, but here's what Elon said. In 2022, supply chain will continue to be the fundamental limiter of output across all factories. So, the chip shortage, while better than last year, is still an issue. And yes, there are multiple supply chain challenges. Last year was difficult to predict, and hopefully this year will be smooth sailing. But I'm not sure what you do for an encore to 2021 and 2020. Nonetheless, we do expect significant growth in 2022 over 2021, comfortably above 50% growth in 2022, he said. It would seem as though comfortably above 50% growth would be an estimate between, say, 1.6 and 1.8 million deliveries this year. I know, maybe I'm being optimistic because 1.8 million is nearly double last year. However, in 2012, Tesla made a few thousand cars and came a few thousand short of their estimate. They said they would make 20,000 in 2013. Critics said it wouldn't happen. They got a battery contract with Panasonic in early 2013 that allowed them to make 100,000 cars per year by 2017. In 2013, they actually delivered 22,500 cars, so more than they said they would. That blew away expectations of analysts, who said they couldn't do it. And it actually made up for their shortfall in 2012. By 2017, even with the Model 3 not achieving volume production, they beat that 100,000 goal. And that actually was more than 5 times the number of vehicles they were delivering only 4 years earlier. People didn't give them a lot of credit during that period of time, though, because they were more focusing on the media hype around Tesla building cars in a so-called tent. Didn't really look like a tent to me, but anyway, if you want to call it that, if it sells, so be it. But they also didn't give them credit for delivering this number of vehicles because they weren't profitable. But neither is Lucid, neither is Rivian, and neither, potentially, is any company in the world in legacy auto producing electric cars. We don't have any proof yet that anyone in legacy auto is actually making a profit from the vehicles that they deliver. But we do have proof that Tesla is. So I'm sticking to my numbers here. My prediction is 310,000. But let me know in the comment section below what yours is. Have a great day, and I'll see you again on the next video. Bye-bye.